Hey friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your YouTube channel on YouTube. So to do that, you want to simply ensure that you sign into your Google account. I recommend that you first do that first. So you can just open up, if you're using Google Chrome, you can open up Google Chrome and you can sign in the upper right into your account. Or you can just simply type in google.com. It doesn't matter which browser you're in, you'll be able to click the Google account on the upper right hand side and sign in. Or if you have a different email address from the one that is signed into Google, just click on add account and you can just enter the email address and proceed with, logging into your Google account. I recommend this step first because it makes it super easy to log into your YouTube channel. Now, from here, just simply head over to youtube.com once all that is done and you will see that YouTube is going to ask you to, let's say, sign in as well. But it's going to make it super easy, and you will just need to do a few clicks, and you will sign in. So once you are on the YouTube, you will just click your account on the upper right, or click sign in on the upper right, and you will just sign into your account. Now I already signed in, but once you do, you should be able to click your profile on the upper right, and here you will find YouTube Studio. Now, all you have to do is click it and you will see that it takes you right into your YouTube studio. And this is your YouTube channel. Here you can click on create an upper right and you can upload videos, you can go live, create posts, create new playlists, and so forth, right? And so you can also look to the left hand side here and you can see content. Here is where you're seeing your subscribers as well. It's going to show your comments and so forth. But you can see that on the community as well. And so on the left side, you have content where you'll find all of your videos showing here, as you can see. And at the top, it is kind of like set in the different tabs. You have inspiration shown here. You have videos, you have shorts, you have lives, you have posts, playlists. You can create playlists as well from here as well, or even from here and to the upper right, you can create playlists from here. You have podcasts, promotions, collaborations, and so forth, right? So you can do those things here. Then you have your analytics on the side here where you can just basically see all your videos are doing, or your views, your watch hours, your subscription. You can click different tabs. The cool thing about these different tabs as well, that they not only give you a little preview, but you can see more to go in depth. So for example, I wanted to see how my views are, where my views are coming from. I can click see more and it's going to take me over to that page where I can see all those different, you know, views, or where the views are coming from and so forth. A lot of stuff here, right? But I'm not going to get too much into that right now. Here you'll be able to see your live subscribers, your live views, and so forth. You have the community right here on the left side where you can see all the posts coming in from people under your videos. You can reply to them and so forth. You can view the comments, viewers, posts, you can find mentions and so forth, right? These extra buttons that you're seeing here, they're plugin called vidIQ, and you can easily get that from the, it's really helpful to be honest, and you can get that from the Chrome Web Store, right? So yeah, you have a lot of things here on the left side, subtitles, content detection. You can see earning section here where you, if you have all the watch hours and the subscribers, read the requirements, you can apply for the program here to become a part of the Google Ads, the Google Partner Program right here. You have a lot of stuff, and you have your additional settings here where you can go in and just kind of make changes to your channels and your defaults and all those good stuff right here. So if you are not used to YouTube or the YouTube Studio, I hope that this kind of give you a quick overview of what it's like. But if you'd like to learn more about it in depth, let me know in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to make a full tutorial on how to actually use YouTube Studio. And yeah, this is going to help you out a lot, guys. And I really hope that you will find that helpful. Now, yeah, that's pretty much it. Very easy and very simple, guys.